Today, let's dive into personal finance and how AI can revolutionize the way you handle your money. Whether you're building a budget or supercharging your savings, AI can make financial management easier and more effective. Here are 3 ways you could start using AI for your finances today. Create an AI-powered budget. Use an AI tool like ChatGPT or Google Gemini and prompt it with details about your income, expenses, and financial goals to create a budget that is tailored to your needs. You could even copy and paste in a couple of bank statements and ask the tool to analyze your spending habits and suggest areas for improvement. However, be sure to remember to remove any confidential information like your social security number and account numbers before you put them into the platform. Review the budget, make adjustments where it's needed, and move it to a spreadsheet for your personal use. Number 2, save money on groceries. Did you know AI can save you money on your next grocery run? Make a list of ingredients you already have in your fridge or pantry and ask an AI chatbot to give you a list of recipes you can make from those ingredients. By spending less at the supermarket and reducing food waste, you'll have more time to save. Number 3, improve your financial literacy. Whether you're buying your first home, want to better understand earnest money and escrow, or are trying to demystify your company's EBITDA, start by asking a chatbot. The world of personal finance comes with jargon all its own, and generative AI chatbots make excellent tutors. To ensure a simple answer, ask the bot how it would explain a concept to a 5th grader. 2 things to keep in mind with any of these tips. The better the data you provide the AI tool, the better the output will be. Aim for accuracy and detail. Always double check the output and consider seeking an advice from a certified financial advisor before making any major financial decisions. Well, that's it for now. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and check out the links below for more tips on how to harness the power of AI in your life.